Here is how you can delete bulk contacts on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So whenever you open up the built-in contacts app, you can see my list right here, and there isn't any way to click on a select and manually select a few so I can delete only those, right? So if I hold down on it like this, I can delete this one, but it's not like I can select it. And actually there is a way to do it, but it's kind of hidden away. So what you can do is to use the two-finger swipe, as I like to call it. I'm not sure how it's officially called, but you can basically grab the contacts like this with two fingers and a slide down. And as you can see, it keeps on selecting the contacts. So right now I can hold down on it. It puts them all together and I can delete 5 contacts in bulk, right? So that's something that not many people actually know about because it's kind of like hidden away. But still, this is only practical if the contacts go in order one after another. If you want to just be really selective with it, you can still use the very same thing, but in a following manner, right? So let's say that I'm gonna select the first one right here. I cannot really select it, so I have to swipe with 2 fingers, but only on one contact, right? So this one is selected. I can go and select this one, and I always have to use 2 fingers, right? So I can swipe away like this, then select these 2, and let's say this one, right? And I can hold down on any of them and click on the delete, and that's how I can remove the contacts in bulk and make sure that all of them disappear. But that would be all from me. Let me know if you knew that before. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.